Okay, let's take a look at the V-cut. In some situations, when you're cutting the tree into logs, it's very high altitude, and to get a softer cut, you can use the V-cut. First and foremost, always check the logs for tension. Here it looks like it's very much tension, but it's not, because the tree was very curved, as you see here, but no tension. The whole tree are limp and safe. But remember to keep distance. Don't stand over and cut the logs. Keep a little bit distance. So now we're gonna try the V-cut. Okay, it worked pretty well. Much softer than the regular method. Remember to keep a little bit distance. Follow. Keep attention to the chain bar always, because it's maybe gonna stuck the saw if you don't keep attention. The only thing we can say is minus with this is that it eat up a little bit of the tree and maybe crack a little bit, but it's only some centimeters. So V-cut a pretty safe and soft method when it are required. Okay, pretty windy today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.